All right, y'all. So this is a stop on your way into Canyonlands, the Needles District. This is called Newspaper Rock. It's 2,000 years old, and it is believed to be carved by multiple different Native American groups. No one's quite sure what the meanings of everything are, but really fascinating. Definitely worth a stop. Alright, y'all, on my way to Cisco, I saw this. This is the Dewey Bridge. It was constructed in 1916 and is on the National Register of Historic Places. It was a wagon bridge and it could hold up to 9,000 pounds. Super cool. Just awesome. See all the bridge suspensions? Just amazing. Look how crazy this is. Just drop off the edge there. Alright, y'all, so I am now in Cisco, which is an old abandoned, it's not abandoned anymore, but it was a ghost town. And now it has been pretty much bought by one lady, and they've turned it into kind of an artist colony. But they really ask that people respect the people that live here and to only photograph from the road. So I'm parked at the general store. I'm gonna get out and look at that, and then I'm gonna drive back through town and get a couple more videos here, but it's pretty amazing. So this is the general store. It is closed right now, but it's very cool. It's apparently Buzzard Belly's general store. They've got these really cool buzzards with some skulls below them. Very, very interesting. I wish it was open. I would love to go in and support them. check this out, y'all. I'm headed to Lost Spring Canyon, and on the way, I found this old piece of mining equipment. Looks like some sort of storage bay. Pretty cool. Just must have drove underneath it, and then they opened this giant lever that's still here to let the ore out, or whatever they were doing. It's pretty cool from up above. I am not walking out that. There's some piece of old equipment left right there. It looks like the control for dropping whatever they put into the vehicles or wagons, whatever. It's pretty cool though. Pretty amazing view out there. All right, y'all. I just pulled into camp about a half an hour ago. I have been taking some time lapse and some video and photos of this beautiful sunset. I'm about 16 miles off of Highway I-70 on a road called Lost Springs Road, which leads to Lost Spring Canyon, which is right outside of Arches. Look at this. Look at that. Tonight, I'm gonna have a beer because camp is set up, the Nissan is parked. I'm gonna eat something and then I'm gonna crash out, and I will see y'all in the morning. All right, my friends, sleep well.